FacilityBot is super easy to set up. In this video, I will show you how to set up fault reporting via Telegram, create checklists, and import assets to FacilityBot. Let's start with setting up fault reporting via Telegram. Go to FacilityBot.co and sign up for a free trial. The setup guide shows 5 steps to help you get started quickly. Within the General tab, you can set up the time zone, currency, and insert your company logo. Within the Account Management tab, you can invite other colleagues as managers or responders. In this case, I won't invite everyone. Within the Channels tab, click on Set up Telegram. Follow the 4 steps to set up a Telegram bot channel and link that to FacilityBot. Once the Telegram bot channel is linked, you will be able to download a poster. The poster can be pasted at prominent locations in the building so that building users can easily find the appropriate Telegram bot by scanning the QR code. Within the Chatbot tab, you can configure the welcome message, quick replies, and other chatbot settings. There are helpful tooltips that explain each setting in more detail. In this case, we will stick to the defaults. And that's all. Building occupants can now make fault reports to FacilityBot via Telegram. Let's try reporting a fault using Telegram. Scan the QR code to find the Telegram bot. Type hi, start, or other similar phrases to chat with the bot. The bot will reply as configured. Type or press the report fault button. Select the fault type, enter a fault description, as well as the fault location. FacilityBot also gives you the chance to upload up to 5 images of the fault. Once the report is created, FacilityBot will send a confirmation message with a case ID. Immediately, the same report with the same case ID will be displayed in the admin web portal. Responders can also be automatically assigned and alerted via push notifications on the FacilityBot mobile app. Let's also try importing assets to FacilityBot. To do this, go to Features, then Assets. Click on the 3 dots and then select Import CSV. Download the sample CSV template and populate the template with your asset register. Once the CSV is ready, click on Upload CSV in Excel to import your asset register. Your asset register should now show up in the Assets page. You can edit, delete, or add new assets. To add a new asset, click on the plus New Asset button. A floating editing panel will appear where you can enter the required asset information such as type, location, asset details, model number, brand, and more. Once all information has been entered, click Create. Once created, the newly created asset can be seen on the list back on the main page. FacilityBot will automatically generate a QR code for each asset. The asset QR code can be scanned using the FacilityBot mobile app to view asset details and its maintenance history. Now let's try creating a new preventive maintenance checklist using FacilityBot. Go to Settings, then Checklist. Click on the plus New button. FacilityBot gives you the option to start with a template from our library of checklists or create a new one using a blank template. In this case, I will select the AHU checklist from the FacilityBot checklist library. You can select the responders who will be allowed to complete the checklist as well as the managers who will be allowed to sign off on the checklist. Checklists can also be linked to assets. If this toggle is on, a start time and end time will be required. Set the recurrence of this checklist by selecting a start date and time, the recurrence frequency, and the recurrence ending condition. Each row in the checklist is a check. You can edit the description and select the type of response required for each row. There are many types of responses that can be selected, including single choice, multiple choice, free text, date time toggle, image, and signature response. Once all rows are configured, click Save. You can see the newly created checklist on the list back on Settings, Checklist page. FacilityBot will automatically generate pending checklists based on their current settings. However, you can also generate an ad hoc checklist whenever you need to conduct checks by clicking on the plus icon. A checklist QR code can also be generated. When the QR code is scanned using the FacilityBot mobile app, an ad hoc checklist will automatically be created within the FacilityBot mobile app. Responders can complete checklists on the go using the FacilityBot mobile app. To do this, open the FacilityBot mobile app and select Checklist. The page will show the list of all pending checklists. Click on Update Checklist. Fill in the checklist as appropriate. Sign on the signature response field, add a completion image, and enter the completion remarks if applicable. Once done, click Complete. FacilityBot will record the checklist as processing. Managers can then review all checklists in the processing state on the FacilityBot Manager portal. Hopefully, I have demonstrated in this video how easy it is to get started with FacilityBot. Sign up for a free trial today via facilitybot.com to try it yourself.